So today is wash day. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I know my hair looks crazy. My name is Adele Davis. Oh, my hair itches. These are my twists that I've had in for a few weeks. So in this mixture, there's this peppermint shampoo mixed with apple cider vinegar. I was gonna do the Aztec, but I wash my hair pretty often. I just haven't washed it without the twist. So today I probably will be washing it again with the twist because I'm gonna put another wig on. Oh, let me show you my hang time. I've been natural for over a year now and I have a lot of shrinkage. So this is part one. There's gonna be a part two when I show you when I'm washing my hair out. So this one I'm just gonna be applying my mixture onto my scalp, and then I'm gonna like massage it in. Okay, and then I have a plastic cap, and then I'm probably gonna just put my bonnet back on top of my head and let the my solution sit in my hair for a few hours until I'm ready to shower, and then I'm gonna wash it out and then come back and show you the end results. So I already did the mixing, which I probably should have showed you guys while I was mixing it, but so I decided to go and get the stuff, the shampoo that I use, so that I can show you what I use. So okay, so this is an 18-in-1 hemp peppermint pure castle soap. This is a family soap maker since 1858. It says dilute, but I like the tingly feeling. Most of the stuff in here is organic oils. Castor oil, potassium. Yeah. Be careful with this stuff, guys, because it's very strong, and if it gets into your eyes, yeah, disclaimer, go to the hospital if you can't rinse it out yourself. So I'm gonna apply this now, and I'll let you watch me do it, and then when I finish, yeah, so I'm gonna see my twists are pretty old. Sorry, I'm not recording in my normal recording spot. I'm actually in my son's room. So I'm only doing this now because I want to make sure that my hair is clean before I apply my next wig. So yeah, here goes. This is how I've been shampooing my hair. I'm gonna put this all over. I'm in my son's room, so I hope I don't get nothing on his bed. I should have used a chair, but I'm watching Shalom Black. Love her. One day I want to get to 1 million subscribers. Can't wait. Look at Shalom. I love her. Love watching her. I watch all of her videos. So if you're watching, please subscribe to my channel and hopefully we can collab together. I'm looking to do some new things. I want to learn how she does. I want her to do a tutorial with me. Like basically showing me how she does her makeup. Because her makeup is always so bomb. My hair looks crazy. Look at the bottle. It's so soapy. I'm kind of waiting for my camera batteries to charge so I can actually film downstairs in my normal area with my lights and everything. So when I do come back, it's going to be a lot more professional. I'm in my son's room because I can actually lock the door and my kids won't bother me. Sorry if I look crazy. I didn't want to be too cute while, you know, I'm getting my hair all lathered and stuff. So this is what I used. One thing I love about this shampoo is that after a while you really feel like the tingling in the scalp. I love that. It makes it feel like it's like really like cleansing my scalp. So you guys, you can get this at the local beauty supply store. I get the really big one because I have 2 daughters and I need it to last through everything. So yeah, go cop this. It's awesome. It's the peppermint. It smells a little bit because it's mixed with the apple cider vinegar. I don't know. I'm just trying something new. So when you guys get a chance, you know, go cop this just to, you know, check it out. But anyway, I'm soon gonna go and wash this out, and then I'm probably gonna be applying my wig since, you know, I'm bored. I'll probably do a makeup tutorial today too. I'm gonna be doing back-to-back uploads because it's been like 2 days since I've uploaded a video, so stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back. So I'm finally in my bathroom and I'm gonna be getting down on my knees and washing my hair out. You might not be able to see the whole thing because I'm using my phone and my time is running out, so I'm gonna definitely come back and show you the final results. I already got my water running, so I'm showing you this is the conditioner I'm gonna be using. So stay tuned. We're going to try to wash it out with clean water. Thank you guys for watching my natural hair wash day. So I look crazy, but this is my natural hair. I will be retwisting. So I also use this Jamaican castor oil in the lavender scent. I'm sorry for the lighting. I am in my bathroom. So I'm going to try to do this really quickly.